An elephant can remember a face for decades. Elephants possess extraordinary long-term memory, which plays a critical role in their survival. They can remember the locations of water sources across vast distances and recognize other elephants they have not seen for many years. This memory also extends to emotional experiences. Elephants have been known to show signs of grief, visiting the bones of deceased herd members. Neurological studies confirm that the elephant brain has a highly developed hippocampus, the region associated with memory and emotion.